अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।
Session underscore PRAVS. Okay, fine. Yes, observe here. Oh, maybe in this Scott user, observe here. In this Scott user, a predefined occasion of your yes system privilege create session is there or not? That's why that occasion of that Scott user directly connect to the server possible. Again, create table is there or not? That's why create table also there is no error. Insufficient privileges error does not occur. Daily we are creating a table. Again, procedure there is no error. Trigger there is no error. Okay, that type there is no error. But Metlaju I am giving only permission. Don't worry. That's why always whenever occasion of your yes here in a Scott user in this case they are creating a view also working. Why? Because create in a view system privilege is there or not? Suppose Murli user is there. In that Murli user, I want to view which system privileges are available. Means connect Murli. One minute, observe here Murli, and here Murli is a user. Okay, any user like this only. And now here this is very easy compared to data dictionary. So select star from session underscore because Murli creation side connect from resources I am giving no session underscore PRIVS. Sorry, session underscore PRIVS. Okay, like this only we are typing. Then automatically yes, in a Murli user also create table, create a session, create procedure, create trigger. All the things are available or not? Yes, write it some theory. Next paragraph. In Oracle, if you want to view system privileges related to particular user, in Oracle, if you want to view system privileges related to particular user, then we are using following select statement. Then following select statement. Write it syntax. Go to SQL prompt. This is better option now. Then we see. Select star from session underscore PRIVS. Select star from session underscore PRIVS. Example write it. This one write it. Example, first syntax write it. Then we have to connect in a particular username, password is user1. Otherwise user underscore PRIVS data dictionary to also possible. But this is easy. Finished? Now, actually, whenever system privileges given to user means grant, create table, create procedure, create trigger, create occasion of here, yes, any index to username, yeah, Scott, yes, username Murli, username occasion of A1, U1, like this we are doing means, then only those users are allowed to create those database objects. That is everyone knows. Next, that is there through that rules only I am telling. But here before that one, yes, here if you want to cancel system privileges, if you want to cancel these system privileges from users, possible by using the what a revoke command. Revoke is a command is there. Through that one also we are canceling the what these system privileges possible. But unfortunately, which person is canceling? You are a user, you are unable to cancel. Only database administrator only canceling the what? Yes, system privileges, right? In Oracle, we can also cancel system privileges. We can also cancel system privileges from users. We can also cancel system privileges from users by using revoke command. By using revoke command. By using revoke command. In Oracle, administrator only allowed to cancel. In Oracle, administrator only allowed to cancel system privileges. Administrator only allowed to cancel system privileges. Finished? And now here, yes, syntax, write it. Syntax simple, just a revoke is a command we are using only. Syntax, write it. Syntax. Syntax revoke system privileges from. Actually, in every database also same command only. That is this one from they are giving. Actually, grant means to, yes, revoke means from users in a number of users. Username 1, username 2, in a number of users also. Username 2 like this. In a number of users. Revoke system privileges from username 1, username 2 in a number of users possible. Now check it out. Suppose finished. Now revoke system privileges from users. Then object privilege means all. Next rules are there. That is most powerful. Then next better. Finished? Fast. Now here check it out. For example, now here I'm interested to check by using the U1 user better no. Now here yes here connect U1 is a username and password is U1. Now here if you want to view that one means select star from don't write it select star from session underscore PREVS. Yes, through this one we are viewing what which system privileges that create session. I want to cancel. Whenever I want to cancel means first we are connecting to what admin user connect sys as sysdba. Okay, fine. Here password is sys. Create table. Why I am giving means create table space. Some other concept is there. Next only we are telling. Now here connect sys as sysdba. Password is sys. Now here now tell me revoke. Revoke. Here which privilege create session is a system privilege. We are giving now from is a what keyword username. So now here which user u1 user from the u1 user we are cancelling means then that user not unable to connect to the database. That u1 user create table we are cancelling means create table creation is not possible. Another data is there create table. That's what creation. Now revoke successful. Now again I'm testing connect u1 user and u1 user, but it will give us a error no. Why? Because this u1 user unable to connect. Why? Because create session is cancelling. And now here, yes, you are no longer connect to the where database because create session means you are no longer connect to the where Oracle database or not. How much easy? And now here write it this one. And now here, yes, example, one example is enough. Any other privileges later, but first the create session we are concentrating learners. Then only roles are there, then only some people are asking only when cancel privileges, then data is there or not. No, actually, so now here these privileges are not a data side. Okay, allowed to create a database objects. Okay, another data is there. That database objects we are not allowed to create. Suppose here this is a create session, we are losing only not unable to connect, but that user already creating what tables, the data is there, means data is there. Like in this one. That's what creation. Observe here. Now example, write it this one. One example is enough. Then only roles we are starting. Through the roles, these system privilege is important. Okay. Some predefined roles and user-defined roles through system privileges. Then only object privileges. So many things you are understandable. That is the original concept. This is the first initial programmer means system privileges means like this. Write it this one. Revoke successful. Then we have to connect. Warning like this.